It will take me 5 minutes to show you how to build a real commercial RAG system that can run on multiple AWS instances. The right way to build a commercial GenAI application is using OPEA. OPEA, the Open Platform for Enterprise AI, provides the building blocks to build GenAI applications. These building blocks are packaged as containerized microservices that can run almost anywhere. They are composable, scalable, and can run on-prem or on many cloud services on GPUs, CPUs, or AI accelerators like Gaudi. Check out my other videos on OPEA. In this video, I'll build a chat Q&A application. It will include multiple pipe stages. Theoretically, you can run each of the pipe stages on the right machine. Each pipe stage might have different requirements in terms of compute, memory, storage, and so on. And such a distributed microservices architecture gives you the flexibility to choose and pay only for the right machine for each of these tasks. There are, of course, many other considerations. Privacy and security is just another one. If you can place each service on a different network, you might need to only place the user interface on a public network and all the rest of the microservices on a private one, and by that, minimize the attack surface of the application. So, for simplicity, I will run the full application on one machine and the LLM service on another one, stronger machine. I'll show you how to make it work so you can basically use separate machine for each of the application's microservices. All pair your application needs. Let's get started. I'll call the first machine OPEA Core. It will run Ubuntu. Take a strong enough machine. If the machine is not strong enough, debugging it can be pretty frustrating, so just avoid that. For networking, enable a public IP. And I've created a new security group and made sure my IP address could be accessed both by SSH and TCP. And launch. One machine is up. The second machine will run the LLM. I'll call it OPEA LLM, running Ubuntu. The setting will be the same, just take a strong enough machine and launch. And I have 2 machines up and running. Next step, connect to the 2 machines. I'll do it using SSH in VS Code. Connect to host, configure the SSH host. This is my setting file. I need 2 connections, one for the core, one for the LLM. Need to replace the right host name with the machine public IP, and this will be the IP for the LLM machine, and we're all set. Connect to the host, connect to OPEA Core, continue, 1 terminal connected, and I'll connect to the OPEA LLM, and I got a terminal for each of the machines. Look for OPEA docs. Getting started with OPEA, I will just follow these instructions. Install Docker on the new machines, define the release, and clone the OPEA examples repository. Define localhost, Hugging Face token. Please make sure you have llama permissions, or you can configure to run different LLM. I do not need a proxy. Initialize the environment. Almost done. Now need to configure the compose file. I'll start with the LLM compose file. Let me collapse all the functions. The only thing I need here is the LLM service. So I will just delete all the other services. Just clean it up. Yes, this is all we need. Just the LLM running on this machine. Now the compose file for the OPEA core machine. Few things we need to do. We can remove the LLM service from this machine. Instead, we need to supply the address for the LLM service. For that, we'll go to the LLM machine and grab the private IP address and place it here. Please note that the port is not 80. I'll take the port from the LLM service. Need to also remove the dependency in the LLM service, or the Docker will wait for it forever. And we're all ready to run. Docker compose up, the LLM service, and Docker Compose app for the rest of the services. Docker PS and Docker logs to check the status, LLM services app, and all the other services are app as well. One important thing to check is that the two machines can actually talk to each other. So I'm back to my security group definition, and I add a rule that all the traffic within the security group is okay. You might need a different protocol, and I can see that the two machines can ping each other. Great. Go to the OPEA core machine. We need the public IP. The UI is up. Ask if any question you like, and it is working. Nice. A RAG system working on multiple AWS instances. You can see how simple it can be. You can see the power of the flexibility of OPEA components and microservices. Enjoy, subscribe. Thank you.